Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have taught you NCERT in text of page number 176. In present video, I am going to teach you NCERT in text question of page number 184. There are total 3 questions. So let's start question number 1, that is define one diopter of a lens. What is one diopter? Firstly, what is diopter? Diopter is unit to measure power of a lens, and power is related to focal length by formula 1 by f. Okay, if focal length of a lens, that is denoted by small f, if I take it 1 meter, 1 by 1 it will be 1, then power of a lens will be equal to 1 diopter. So how can you define power of a lens? So 1 diopter is what? It is power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter, of focal length 1 meter. Okay, so we have defined 1 diopter. Now next, question number 2. A convex lens forms a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 centimeter from it. It means, what is the name of a lens? That is convex lens, and it forms a image. So image distance is given. What is image distance? That is denoted by V. It forms real and inverted image. Real and inverted. So for lens, when image is real and inverted, V is positive. V is positive. Okay. So for real and inverted, image is positive. It forms an image at a distance of 50 centimeter. Where is the needle placed? Needle means needle is acting like an object. So where is the object placed? In front of a convex lens. So what is the name of a lens? That is convex lens. So firstly you must mention that it is a convex lens. Where the needle is placed, it means object distance. Object distance is denoted by U, and we have to find out U, but it's sure the answer must be in negative because U is always negative. So where the needle is to be placed, if image size is equal to object size, what is given to us? That size of image is equal to size of object. Okay. Also find the power of a lens. Object distance find out करना है, and also we have to find out power of a lens. तो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर इमेज का साइज और ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज इक्वल हो तो आपको पता है मैग्निफिकेशन का फॉर्मूला है h डैश अपॉन h, और h डैश और h अगर इक्वल हो जाए, आपको पता है इमेज के साइज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? h डैश से डिनोट करते हैं और ऑब्जेक्ट साइज को h से. सो इट इज इमेज हाई साइज upon object size. If size of image is equal to size of object, it means if h dash equal to h, then m is equal to 1. Okay. Now we know m is also equal to minus v upon u. So what will be u? Because m is equal to 1, u is equal to minus v, क्योंकि हमने m की वैल्यू को 1 पुट कर दिया. u is equal to minus v. What is v given to be? v is 50 centimeter. So u is equal to minus 50 centimeter. Okay. तो अगर हम इसको अपने रे डायग्राम के साथ कंपेयर करके बताते हैं तो हमें ये पता चलता है कि जब हमारा कोई ऑब्जेक्ट किसी कन्वेक्स लेंस से f 2f पर अगर हम रखते हैं तो सेम साइज की इमेज बनती है, क्योंकि हमें क्या दिया है, साइज ऑफ इमेज इज इक्वल टू साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट। इट मीन्स जब भी हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को 2f पर पोजीशन करते हैं तो जो इमेज का साइज है, ऑब्जेक्ट का साइज है, दोनों इक्वल होते हैं। इट मीन्स आपको जो यहाँ पर इमेज डिस्टेंस है दैट इज ट्वाइस ऑफ फोकल लेंथ। तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि u जो किसके इक्वल है, -v के इक्वल है, लेकिन यहाँ पर इसकी वैल्यू कितनी दी हुई है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2f। तो इट मीन्स हमें 2f की वैल्यू तो क्या दी हुई है, 50 सेंटीमीटर। तो दैट इज इक्वल टू -u बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट इज नेगेटिव, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2f। इफ 2f is given to you 50 centimeter, then what will be f? f is equal to 50 by 2. 50 by 2 that is equal to 25 centimeter. So focal length will be equal to 25 centimeter. The lens is convex lens. Focal length must be positive. It's good. Result is matching. Now focal length is 25, but we have to find out power of a lens, and power of a lens is related with focal length, that is 1 upon focal length. Reciprocal of focal length is power of a lens. So 1 upon 25, but it must be in meter, but it is in centimeter. So how can I convert it into meter? If centimeter, then divide by 100. 25 in denominator, divide by 100, that will be in meter. Then if it is in meter, then it will be in diopter. 25 ones are 25 fours are, so answer is 4 diopter. Because lens is convex lens, convex lens means focal length positive, so power will be positive. So power of a lens is 4 diopter. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपने कैसे किया, कन्वेक्स लेंस लिया, कन्वेक्स लेंस से आपने 2f पर ऑब्जेक्ट को जब पोजीशन करते हैं तो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट साइज और इमेज साइज इक्वल होते हैं। तो इट मीन्स आपको यहाँ से ये पता चल गया जो ऑब्जेक्ट की वैल्यू है, ऑब्जेक्ट साइज की वैल्यू है, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस की वैल्यू है, आप उस ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस की वैल्यू को u को किसके इक्वल पुट कर रहे हैं, 50 सेंटीमीटर, क्योंकि 50 गिवन है। तो आप यहाँ से फोकल लेंथ फाइंड आउट करेंगे, रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, पावर मिल जाएगा। क्योंकि लेंस पॉजिटिव है देन पावर मस्ट बी पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि कन्वेक्स लेंस पॉजिटिव फोकल लेंथ वाला है। नेक्स्ट, फाइंड द पावर ऑफ अ कनकेव लेंस। लेंस इज कनकेव. I have told you right now focal length of convex lens is positive, but for concave lens focal length is negative. What is given? If focal length of a concave lens is 2 meter and for concave it is minus 2 meter, it's good that it is in meter already. Okay, now we have to find out its power. What is the formula for power? Power is equal to 1 upon में focal length, 1 upon में -2, 1 by 2 is 0.5, it is minus 0.5 diopter. So answer that power of a lens is minus 0.5 diopter. Dear students, if you are having any confusion regarding meter or centimeter, then power formula is 1 upon में f, it is in meter, it is equal to 100 upon में f if it is in centimeter. So it is the formula to calculate power of a lens. For convex, focal length and power both are positive. For concave, focal length and power both must be negative. Okay, so in this way you have come to know the solution of NCERT in text, page number 184. In my next video, I will teach you NCERT exercise questions that are based on refraction of light through lenses. Till then, goodbye.